How are you doing? And that stops through. Thank you for being here. But we need to talk a lot of things. No, I'm not going to install that now. I'm going to go to TikTok, and I don't care about that. Yeah, there we go. Talk a bunch of things. All right. Think we're good there. Make sure everything is perfect. Thank you to the new subscribers or the new followers that I got over on Twitch. New subscribers that I got over the last day. You know, definitely coming in heavy. Going on? What's going on? Everybody doing today? Morning, peeps. Good morning, Fire King. Pop out this chat real quick. There we go. Other chat and Discord. You guys want to be a part of Discord? Make sure you guys hit that link down in the description. You'll be a part of it. Bring up the live chat. All right. So, how's everybody doing today? Good. Back on the grind today? Yes. So I did give like an update in my Discord group of how much I did make yesterday. I know the whole market was really down. We did have a couple of movers in the stock market, but I did give an update on how much I made, which if you did see that update, I lied about that because I continued to trade and I ended up making another like $40 or $50 or so. I think it was a little bit more than that. And I made $190 yesterday. So from day trading. So typically I'm shooting for $100 and I made like over I think it was 120. Yeah, 120. And then ended up trading again, made 150 and traded something throughout the whole entire day. It seemed like everything was pulling back besides these couple of positions. And I made another like $40. So 190 yesterday. Total for the week right now is around 290. Or no, sorry, 270. Yeah, 270 for the day. So or 270 for the week. I lost money on Tuesday. I lost $20 on Tuesday, but I gained like 80 or 90 over on Monday, and gained 190 on yesterday. So I don't know if there will be any positions today that I can get into because it seems like there's not many big movers. So let's go into the actual markets and break this down. Let me make sure it's up. We can go into the actual markets, and I was looking at AMC, just trying to get an understanding of what's going on with this here. And right now we're just down, or sorry, we're up in the pre-market. We did jump back up above Jesus, $30 before decreasing in the pre-market. We could see here that we fell all the way down to 28. We're now at 28.50. In the pre-market we're at 29 even. So AMC is on sale. AMC is definitely on sale. Definitely. I just wanted to look at a lot of the short interest. You know that they're continually shorting it. The idea is that we're overbuying at this point, and we're just putting too much stress on a lot of people that are putting extra money in there. If it goes to a lower price, then it creates the best buying opportunity you could possibly find. Yes, it hurts when you see your positions go from being up, a total of like $40,000 or $50,000 for me at least, to being down $100 yesterday. So it didn't really sit the right way, just because you knew that it fell down so much. However, I know the overall mindset behind it, And for people that say, hey, GME is a play or whatever, both of them are massive plays, and we're going to see them play out the way we want it to. So it's just going to take time. So Becca, how are you doing? Thank you for showing up on Twitch. The crypto market is a bloodbath today. Yeah, I did see that. There's a lot of things that are falling back. I'm not stressing it. I'm not. I did put more money into farm coin a while ago, so I was hoping that would make a little bit of a move, maybe up to 150, but did fall back down. I believe I put it in at 25, so 125, and currently it's at 121, so it did fall back a little bit. While you're seeing all of this green, the green is actually red, and the red is actually green. So just to get an understanding there, see, Cardano is actually making a positive move. I know it doesn't make sense, but that's the way that it is. Everything else is falling down. You're seeing Harvest Finance down 2%. Litecoin down 2%. You have Gitcoin that's down 8%. Again, I want to find a great spot there because I do believe in where Gitcoin can go. And I did take some profit around 13. I probably should have taken profit at some of the higher highs. I put a heap into Sol and then dropped cents. Yeah, it dropped 80 cents. I don't know how high that how high that goes. Where that was at. I didn't really take a solid look at everything. Oh well, it seems like that might be a perfect time. Right now, you're looking at a level of $2, so you can definitely see that make a move. It's at $2, and the market cap is around 308 million. So definitely seeing that triple. Adding a little bit more on top of that is something I could see out of that position for the long haul. But yeah, it sucks. If something drops that much, the volume is down by 35%. The overall crypto market is just not moving today. Let me actually look at the crypto market, see how much it's dropping. So it's down 1.37%, 1.37%, down to $2.61 trillion. So that hurts. Adding another 18 AMC shares at $27.75. Finally got my average down under 40. That's amazing. It's good because that's definitely a line. I'll tell you that. Where it resists from. Only $270. I've lost 3K in the last 2 days, bro. I showed my my wife exactly what did happen with the unrealized gain. She was like, "Are you sure you know what you're doing?" I was like, "Yes, I know what I'm doing." And she was like, "That doesn't sound right." And I was like, "It's not." I was like, "It's not a realized loss. I'm not realizing this loss. It's an unrealized loss." And the overall outlook of my realized gain for the year is around $19,000. So that's the amount that I've gained. Obviously, I'm putting that money into other positions, but the overall amount that I've gained is $19,000. I'm still up in realized gain. However, unrealized gain, even if I sell everything right now, I will still be up a heck of a lot. However, there's a lot of positions that are falling for me. AMC, ZOM, SOS, right? All my short-term positions, my day trading positions are not that bad because I'm gaining money every single day. But right now, the markets just look horrible. Sorry for all the coughing, but for some reason, I don't know, something just hit different today. What's up, Matt? What are your thoughts on Badger? I'll have to look at that a little bit. I just want to get through some comments because I feel like I'm behind. Warner Brother, what's your take on AMC today? Shorts covering soon? Boy, I hope so. I mean, they're consistently shorting. So I don't know if they're covering soon. I feel like maybe they'll be forced out in a way. But you can see here, if we look at the short interest, we look at the short volume, sorry, not short interest. The short volume, we're seeing 55% short volume yesterday. 55% out of the 53 million reported shares that we had here, 29 million were short. 29.49 million were short. That is ridiculous. For them to short that much, that means that they're consistently shorting. They're not giving up anytime soon, like not right now. But we know it's going to happen soon. We or not soon. We know it's going to happen eventually, right? So we're just counting the days. AMC will be fine. Just wait this out, people. Yeah, it's going to be a point to where right now, and we've said this months ago, and we consistently say it, is that it's a waiting game. It's really just a waiting game. Jesus. Yeah, it's really just a waiting game, and whoever blinks first loses. I have 10K. Better to go GME or AMC. Whatever you feel is right. Oh, bro, you always coughing. I know. It's the morning time when I don't start talking until this moment. And if I don't talk, then I can't tell like how dry my voice is or anything like that. And it's just tough. So I should probably, if I start recording videos, so typically if I'm doing Patreon videos in the morning, then I won't cough as much. But yeah, today is just bad. Like I sleep with the fan on, so it's very dry, and my nose gets stuffed. I have a dry throat, so I tend to cough a lot. It's just it's a lot. But that's just me. Hopefully you can deal with it. I appreciate anybody that is dealing with it. Also on Prague, I made some money day trading with Prague. I just haven't got into it for the long haul, and I'm not one of those people that will get into it for the long haul. Not saying that you're not going to see a positive move from it, because there's a ton of things that are pulling back that should be positive. But I'm just not in it for the long haul, so I can't really give strong thoughts on it that a lot of people would want to hear. Some positive thoughts, because I'm not extremely positive on positions like this. It looks like it pulled back to a level where I thought it would have bounced off of the 200 EMA. Did not surpass that level, even broke past some of these levels. I mean, the next touch point you would have is probably, let's see where this is. Next touch point you would have, looks like it's at a former resistance point, that did create a support level. So that might be interesting to actually see a turnaround and see it retest some of these areas. So that's not looking like a bad option. But then again, if the market is consistently pulling back, it's not going to be great. Currently, it's up 3.8%. So it might be showing that bounce off of that previous resistance is a key point. Where's the French press at? I don't have a French press. He smokes that loud pack? I don't. Not even close. Learning how to run calls and puts help a lot in the red market. Yeah, that's true. It's going to be one of the hardest thing you've ever done. Watch all your money evaporate. Hurts so much. Never forget that I hold for you because you hold for me. That's a great point. I know there's a lot of people that take advantage of this, and some people get lucky. There's some people that were like, "Oh, I pulled my money out at 70. I pulled my money out at the top," and I know it sucks to hear that, because then it's like you're not really supporting the community. But then again, if you pull your money out at the top and you put it in at the bottom, you're buying more shares. You're holding more shares for the long haul. I guarantee if you try and do that again, you're going to fail. But you getting lucky and doing that and being able to buy or get more shares is going to increase the value on the way up. So you selling at 70 and eventually buying back in at 26 if you wanted to, that's good. That's good. It's something where you can actually gain more shares, gain more money in the end, and hopefully be financially free. But don't try it again, because you will lose everything. You will lose out on the full growth of the situation. If you think it's going to go to 80 again and then stop there or close to it, then you could be missing out on everything that's above that. So trust me, I've done it. There have been a number of times where you see a certain position go to, let's say, 14. It goes to 15 or something like that. You see it pull back, goes to 15, pull back. Then you try the third time and it busts through that ceiling of 15. You know what I mean? So if you're gonna see it, I would say anytime you do see it, take it the second time. The third time seems to bust through the ceiling. I don't know. It's tough. It's tough. So don't try and predict exactly where the highs and lows are because it's very difficult. Wherever your price target is, take your price target. If you have a price target, you have an ultimate price target, take that ultimate price target. Because what people will do is wait it out till 100K or 200K or 500, whatever it ends up getting to, right? Um, and they will end up selling on the way down. If you sell on the way down, I guarantee it's going to be like everybody trying to leave a doorway. There's something going on, and there's a fire in the movie theater, and everybody's trying to leave that one doorway and just shove through it instead of going through in a single file line. You know what I mean? They're trying to shove through that doorway. That's not what you want because then you get sold at way lower prices than what you wanted. So just be careful. Just be careful. But I do think that we will see that explode soon. It's just a matter of time. We have to wait. Not someone who holds. Let's see how many people are here because it seems like the chat is moving a little bit fast. 159 people here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit the like button if you can. It does help out the channel. We got 8 people over on Twitch. If you guys want to join me over on Twitch, definitely do so. Let me go ahead and go to the channel, and then I will copy this back. And let's add this here. Here's the Twitch link. Shorts. Commenting as MP Shorts. What the? Why am I logged in as MP Shorts? How am I even watching this as this? That is dumb. All right, well let me change this up. Give me a second. I don't know why I'm logged in as MP Shorts for right now. It says that I'm Matthew Perry right here, but then it tells me I'm logged in as MP Shorts. Okay. Still logged in as MP Shorts. That makes no sense. Give me a second, guys. Thank you guys for watching over on TikTok. I appreciate that. Yeah, that's the account. What sucks about having multiple accounts? Oh, okay, now I think we're good. I shouldn't have been able to edit this if I was logged in for no sense. Here you go. Perfect. If you guys want to click that Twitch link and join me over on Twitch, definitely do that because once I close this up to members only, you won't be able to chat as much. Only members will be able to chat in here unless you're over on the Twitch link as well. Yesterday, AMC broke through my break-even point, so it's all red still. It will be fine. Yeah, I feel you. I mean, I was up. I lost 14. Well, I lost $14,000 in the last 2 days because AMC did drop down a hell of a lot. However, it's unrealized losses, right? And to tell you the truth, the overall right now, if I sold everything, I would still be at a realized gain. But it's starting to decrease very fast because of AMC is a massive part of that. And every time it decreases $1, it goes down by 900. So obviously, that's a big impact. I feel for the people who bought at $60. Yeah, I mean, if they're still holding or they can average down, then that's always great. But it definitely does hurt. Uh, can't lose if you don't sell. Exactly. And chat through a live stream chat or the Discord as well. Yes. If you are a part of it on Discord and you want to communicate with the people on Discord, you can always um, chat in the live stream chat on Discord, which I understand that you can always chat over here on YouTube and on Twitch. It's just another area to where, you know, if you have any silly comments or something that you really can't say on YouTube or probably shouldn't, feel free to say them in the Discord. I got my tickets booked for Spider-Man No Way Home, given the fact that people took down the ticket websites trying to book it. It shows there's still love for theaters. There's a ton of love for theaters. I love theaters. I literally my whole entire life was built off theaters. Thank you for following Flash Instincts. Thank you for sending likes. R Baxter, I appreciate that a lot. But yeah, I have so much love for theaters. You know, I haven't gotten my tickets for Spider-Man No Way Home just because I still don't know which day I'm going because there's just a lot of things going on that weekend. Especially one being my $145 call option for AMC. I don't know if that's going to play out, but we'll see. Um, so yeah, I'm really excited about Spider-Man No Way Home to see where that goes, and I'm a huge Marvel fan, so yes, but we're definitely going to go see it. We have to see it in IMAX. So I don't know if AMC will be my theater of choice. I go there all the time to see kid movies with Harper. So we're actually thinking about going to go see a movie with Harper this weekend, um, because I grew up watching movies, and I want her to be able to grow up and love movies as much as I do, as much as we do. You know, me and my wife both love movies, so it'll be fun. I'm not crying. My nose is just extremely stuffed. I don't know why. Trying to pay attention to the strain and not kill anybody at work. The stream and not kill anybody at work at the same time. Yeah, definitely. Your work is a priority. Work is definitely a priority. I miss theaters too. I love them. I know. I love versus what others love won't pay the bills. Sadly, I'm a realist. Uh, uh, what? Call is expiring Friday for AMC. I was gonna say that's huge, and I don't think that's the thing. Uh, my eyes on Grab today. I did hear about that. What is up with Grab? Currently up 14%, 14.8%. It did increase to $20. Um, yeah, I want to see what the chart looks like right now. So it did increase a heck of a lot and then started to fall as of late. You know, I don't like seeing that. I really don't. Fell below the 200 EMA. So I don't know how strong this will actually be. Not holding within the pre-market after seeing that large increase in the pre-market and it not holding that pre-market at all. It started, at 11 and now it's down to 12. So I don't know how I can think about this because it fell pretty hard. It did hold levels here, but you know, it dropped well below the 200 EMA. It was an oversold territory, and now it's sort of flat in the RSI, but it just it doesn't really look like a day trade for me. Uh, it's possible. I'll have to look into how the market finishes or how the pre-market finishes for the day, and then I'll be able to understand exactly what's going on there. But I have a couple of things that I was looking at, but a lot of things here. Let's go ahead and update this because for some reason it's pulling up actual losers here. Um, but yeah, I have a couple of things that I'm looking at here. I could definitely say that this has a strong. Uh, ooh, yeah, this is pretty strong. The growth, the consolidation, the growth again, more consolidation. I want to see how this ends up playing out. It looks pretty good. I just gotta check to see what the pattern is. If there is any pattern, looks like a standard bull flag that we did see within the after hours market and pre-market. But um, yeah, or just pre-market. Yeah, I don't know what to think about this. Prague is actually up quite a bit. That's something I could have my eye on for a day trade here. Looks pretty solid in the pre-market today. consistent growth, consistent touch points. Not that much volume though. That's a little concerning. Not that much volume. That's something I don't like. I entered a position yesterday where the volume was very spotty, and I was lucky to get out of it with a positive gain because it was so tough for me to even make a move. All right, wait. Let me see what I'm doing here. Okay, we're at the 20-minute mark. I'm going to go ahead and close it up to members only. Thank you, everybody, for watching and commenting. If you guys want to comment, go over to the Twitch link. I have it pinned to the chat, and you can go ahead and comment over there. We have 13 people over there. Feel free to follow because I want to grow this Twitch to 500 followers by the end of the year. That would be great. And I think it's doable. Let's see. In the day after release, so avoid the internet for 24 hours after release. Yeah, I'm gonna have to avoid the internet for probably 3 days, and it's gonna suck because I can't avoid the internet. I'm not a person that can do that. I have to avoid TikTok. I have to avoid YouTube, which I'm always on, and I react to different videos. I look at all of the different trending videos, and sometimes spoiler videos are very trending. So I don't know. Um, no, it's just the morning time for me. As I talk more and more, it gets more and more stuffed. So it's not going to clear up until I stop talking. Do you think we will see another red day? Are the shorts running out of steam? It doesn't look like they're running out of steam. Some green on the pre-market, but that might not mean anything once the day starts. I don't think. Yeah, I don't think. I it's tough to say. I really would say that, a couple of days ago or even yesterday, I would say that we could have seen a reversal from the movement that we saw in the pre-market. However, it just dropped heavily. Everything fell down. I mean, you saw the SPY fall down, drastically. I mean, just looking at that alone, you could tell that things weren't really going to look good. But right now, you can see how it did recover, in the after hours market up to $30.57. But once the new day came about, it just fell again, back down to 28. It could be a day to where we see more of a flat day than anything. I hope it's very, very positive, but it's not looking too positive for a lot of things. It's looking like a flat day, something where we'll see less of a decrease, but probably multiple bounces, maybe off of lower levels of, let's say 20. I don't know what's going on, 28 or so. I don't know what the hell is going on here, but it's showing me ridiculous stuff. All right, let me get out of here. Go back in here. Sometimes Weeble just is weird. I think it's probably because I didn't update it. I have 4 different strike prices. I have 4 different strike price call options for Prague. Expire in December 17th. Where's the price at? Where your price your strike price is at? Got some $3 calls for Prague yesterday. Pretty cheap. Hoping for a nice green day today. When you say pretty cheap, how cheap are we looking? I'm always looking for some options, but I haven't had much luck with options. I could say that a couple of my options, like right now, what is it, ERF? ERF is actually going pretty well for me. Right now, I'm up $11 on a $65 call option. So I'm up $11. Not bad. Or sorry, a $50 call option. 50 something. Can't do math today. See? Telling me to update it. Maybe I'll update it. All right, fine. I'll update it. Let's check to see what crypto's doing while that's updating. Algorand pulling back. That did actually increase to about $2, which is great. I loved seeing that, and I was actually thinking about. I was like, what should I do with this? Should I pull out at $2 and wait for it to come back? I don't want to do that with a position that I'm looking to hold just for the interest, because I'm holding it and gaining a decent amount of interest, daily. So it's not a bad option. It did pull back about 4% though. Let's look at some of the biggest pullbacks. I would say that Tezos looks like a great buy at these points. This is one of those positions that got up to $9 or so not too long ago. Yeah, it was up to about 9.14 not too long ago, but then did pull back. So if I can see it, at $4, which was great to be able to buy in there, yeah, you're gonna see a lot of people hold on to this for a while because just the earned interest looking at about 4.6%, pretty huge. But anyways, let's look at some of the biggest losers. So Badger, I know somebody said something about this position. Let's look into that. Currently down 22%. 11.2 million coins out there, which you have the market cap in the millions, 237 million. Let's look at the history. History shows that this actually reached the $84 price point, but did fall down aggressively, like very, very quick. Did increase from this level of like 28 up to 30 plus, but started to decrease. And just today, you saw it go from 27 down to 21, which is not really the best sign. Popularity is 92nd, but it's tough. I wouldn't consider this a buy for me. It's just too flat. I mean, you could possibly make an easy day trader swing trade out of it if you wanted to, if you found a low. And I think this is probably a low point, seeing how, let's look at different history. This is probably a low point, seeing how other points we've seen it go up to, 32, down to 18, back up to 33, down to 25, up to 39. You see a little bit of fluctuation throughout the year, and hitting $89 in February, not bad. But yeah, I would probably wait for maybe a little bit of a lower price point. 21's not that bad. 21's not that bad to see an increase or a swing trade up to $30. So invest here, get out at 30 if you wanted to. It could push a little bit more, but just make a decent amount of money from there. $3, $4, $5, and $7. Wow. At $7 looks like it might not do any damage, but it could definitely run really fast. So I might not. I shouldn't say that. Expire Friday up for $8. For $8, that's not bad. That is not bad. Not options. I'm not looking for options for. We're looking for some options plays that expire tomorrow. That's, I don't know. I don't know that. Pick them up for a cheap price here. There's a strike. No, that strike price for $9 is nothing. You can pick this up for pretty cheap. $2.50 strike price. Pick that up for pretty cheap if you wanted to, just for tomorrow. But it's definitely iffy though. You pick up some options and you spend $300 on something like that because it's gonna play out big today. It could play out big today. You never really know. But with the gain that we're already seeing, I mean, it's not looking. I mean, it's looking great, but it's gonna be tough when the market opens. We'll see. We'll see. Just remember what everybody, even though the market is awful right now, if you believe in the position you hold, just keep holding. Yes, I agree. We're getting there. LRC. Why? Why is LRC? Well, LRC is probably falling because the entire crypto market is falling. I haven't even looked at LRC this morning. Just come on. $2.64. So it did break that like point to where we see it hovering in between 275 and 225, or sorry, 325. It fell all the way down to 250, 258. I mean, it creates great buying points. Look at the typical hold time. People are holding 19 days of typical hold time, 32nd in popularity. I was going to say 32th. 32nd in popularity. The volume is down 17%. The entire crypto market is falling. So you can't blame it just on LRC. It sucks to see these, but to see it drop. But again, anything below $3, I think, is a great buy-in point. You're going to see this run. Once we see altcoin season happen, you're going to see a lot of things run. Gee, thanks, Matthew. No problem. No problem. Right now, my only plays are up. Are all the metaverse plays? Well, that's good. At least you have something that's working. Anyone in Jasmine? I'm not in Jasmine. Before on fire. Vivo. 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 Not on here. But if it's on fire, it's probably something you can only get on like Pancake Swap or like. I don't see anything. Oh, got you. Hopefully that's right. That it's on fire. It is 171%. The volume is up 1,791%. Market cap, though, looking pretty high. After that large increase, looking pretty high, up to 1 billion. Let's see where the markets are. Gate.io, Coinbase Exchange. Yeah. Oh, that was because that was just added to Coinbase. Like, wasn't it like 14 days ago or something? 14 hours ago. Yeah, that's why you're seeing that. 171% because it has the Coinbase effect. Yeah, I didn't go over this in my Patreon, which I should possibly go over it to see what it's about. I don't know why you wouldn't have the circulating supply or market cap because it's self-reported. Anything that's self-reported, I mean, I would think wouldn't be on Coinbase, but they're adding new coins every day. And again, this is up 178% just today. Has decreased a level, so it increased to about $21, decreased all the way down to 12, and then increased again back up to 15. It looks like it could be a good swing trade or a day trade for a lot of people right now because it was just added to Coinbase. Anything that's added to Coinbase has that Coinbase effect. Now's this time to stack up the coins you want for cheap. Exactly. Exactly. As long as that nap doesn't repeat 2017, good. You weren't talking to me. Rumor is GME partnership is dropping on the 8th. Well, I hope that it's not a buy the rumor, sell the news type of thing. That will suck. That's what I don't want. I really don't want to know the specific date. I just want to know when the announcement comes. Just have the announcement surprise us and see the impact of the price movement. If we know it beforehand, it sets up a buy the rumor, sell the news, and I don't like that. The CEO of Coinbase said that they are asset neutral. I wouldn't be surprised to see them start adding a bunch of lesser known crypto coins. Well, yes. I just hope they do their due diligence like they've done in the past, so that we don't end up having, maybe some, for lack of a better term, shit coins going there. So the Halo campaign and GME earnings are on the 8th. Bullish. Undoing some damn thing. Yeah, I haven't looked at Fun, but I did hear about it in the Discord group. But I felt as though it was running because, I mean, you did see Dwack that was running a bit. And yes, it's up 20%. And it was up a lot higher. How it did increase to about $4.80. I do want to take a look at that. The only thing I don't like is that it is falling and showing more of a bearish pattern. It's showing a lot of bullish tendencies, but it's showing a very bearish pattern, especially being under the 200 EMA after seeing that large increase. Eventually, you're going to see a pullback. It's great to be able to see a nice retracement to certain levels, and here would be that point. But to break down to here with no history of any touch points doesn't really sit well with me. showing me that it can definitely break that point, and that was more of a false breakout than anything. But I'll have my eye on it as a day trade, but I don't think I'll be making any like um, market open day trades. Uh, um, we could be seeing though. We could be seeing a pre-market pivot here though. That could be a possibility. We have 184 people over on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching. If you could hit the like button, definitely do so. Helps me out a lot. 8 people on Twitch. If you have a Twitch account, please feel free to follow me. I want to, grow this account again to 500 followers by the end of the year. If anybody's on YouTube, well, everybody is on. There's a bunch of people on YouTube, but yeah, thank you for watching over here. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, feel free to subscribe. It's free. It does help me out a lot. I'm trying to stake each cycle and move funds with the cycles. Crypto pump in cycles. First Bitcoin, then major altcoins, then microcaps, then NFTs. So from what I heard, there's a different cycle to where it's Bitcoin. You'll see Bitcoin pump, a little bit of a pullback. Then you'll see Ethereum pump. You'll see then you'll see altcoins start to run. And and then we go down the list and microcaps, NFTs, major altcoins. Yes. So we would have some of those major altcoins after Ethereum. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, then major altcoins. And then we would go from there. I guess you can put Ethereum in that list of major altcoins. I put Ethereum separate. Sold my 5 fund shares at a high in after hours market yesterday. Filled with a $9 gain. Oop. Yeah, I swear, Webull has such a difficulty with selling positions in the pre-market and post-market. I just can't do it as well as I would do it in Fidelity. I can't do it here. Like I used to trade so easily in Fidelity and everything would get filled, and here I just can't get anything filled. Like the one time I had an open, um, I think it was, I forget what it was, but it was an open stock that I had like 100 shares in. Sorry for that, 100 shares in, and I ended up trying to sell something, and for an hour it sold 1 share. 1 share. Everything that isn't Bitcoin, everything that isn't Bitcoin is an altcoin. Yeah, I don't consider Ethereum an altcoin. If it's fighting for that first spot and doing a good job at it, and people are recognizing that the flipping could happen, I don't consider Ethereum an altcoin, even though a lot of people do consider it a major altcoin. I just don't, and that's me. But and some other people I know do that as well. But still, I know the actual definition. So Ethereum is 100% an alt. I know, but the way that it feels, flipping in Bitcoin won't change the status of it being an altcoin. I understand that, but the mindset behind it is that they're set aside. Those two are in a world of their own. So if I if anybody gets into cryptocurrency or starts with cryptocurrency, the two major coins that people talk about are Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's pretty much it. And then they get into some of the other ones where you have people that know about Dogecoin more than they know about Bitcoin and Ethereum. You have more people that know about Shiba Inu than they know about Bitcoin and Ethereum. So most people that are new to the crypto scene that really want to get into it, instantly their first thought is, hey, I'm going to put money into these two positions. So in my mind, they're not altcoins. They are both major, crypto coins. They are the leaders of the pack versus, uh, everything else that's in the market. And if you see things like major altcoins, I would say, Sol, you can say Cardano, you can say BNB, you could say all of these different coins that are up there. That's what I would consider as major altcoins. And then, all of the, I guess, micro cap or mid cap. But yeah. All right, let's check out. I think I wanted to check out. I was looking at this position. This is looking good. Looks like it might have a consistent pump to it, and it would be great to get in for like a $5 gain on something like that, and gain about $500 in a day if you wanted to. That'd be good. It'll be great to be able to day trade cryptocurrency. Right now, I don't think I can do that. I think what I would want is like 25,000 put aside so that I can day trade cryptocurrency and then go from there. Currently, with the stock market, I can day trade with $2,000, $3,000 because you can buy 500 shares of something. You can buy 100 shares of something, or even 1,000 shares and have a 10-cent move, which would be $100 gain, right? It's not as it makes it sound simple. It's not simple. It's very difficult because that 10-cent move could also be the opposite direction. So yeah, I wanted to look at what's going on here. Let's look at the no, not assets. Let's look at the wow, request came down hard. That fell down 22% after my video yesterday talking about it. I came down 22%. Well, everything really came down quite a bit. That could be a good buy-in point. I'll tell you that. Did I buy some request? I don't know if I did. I was going to. I don't know if I did do it. No, not yet. That's good. Then maybe I should make that purchase. I said I wouldn't buy any more cryptocurrency right now because I'm trying to put money aside for other things and uh, just stuff. They were thinking about getting a new car, but I'm still not certain on it yet. What's what? What's it going to involve? What going to involve? My bets for altcoins are AVAX, DOT, FTM, Sol. Yeah, I think all of them will be really big. I think Sol. I don't know what is the expectation there and where that's going to get to, but a lot of the major altcoins there will grow to a level to where they're comfortable at being over that $100 billion mark. But a lot of them pull back at $100 billion, so it's definitely tough to take in there. All right, so we got about 9 minutes to this. Let's go ahead and check out the stock market, see what AMC is doing. AMC is up 2%. Good to see that movement. Let's see that get back up to about $30. I would love to see that. Let's see. There is GME here. Let me just type it in. See what GME is doing. GME is currently at 180. 180. That's pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. That looks like a great price to make a move in at 180, 150. What did it get down to? 177 yesterday. We could see a pretty big turnaround with GME. So yeah, that looks good. Sorry. Loopring will be a $50 billion crypto. You think it'll be a $50 billion crypto? So you're looking at about what, 40, 35, $35, $40, maybe a little more than that. That's a solid line, Matt. Have you heard of Coin League, the platform where you're able to bet on your crypto of choice? for the week. It's similar to sports betting. It's pretty neat. No, I haven't heard of it. It does sound uh, interesting, but it just sounds like a an option contract to me. Really, it just sounds like it's either like win or lose type of thing. Except like options, you can sell them early, and you have a little bit more time. Maybe I don't know how long the time is, like what the time frame is. If you have to say you bet for the day, where can I look to see what the new coins will be released on Coinbase? I believe they do it on Twitter. So they do tell you this on Twitter, but they also give you a breakdown. Like I like Gate.io on their platform. They actually show you the time, like actual seconds on when it will be released, which is interesting to me. I really like that. Speaking of that, subtle plug to my Twitter. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, eventually I'll start tweeting again. I just don't. All the outside sources I really don't do. I don't know why. I just don't have the time. Like I feel like I spend a lot of time with the kids. I love spending time with the kids, and I never will sacrifice that time. I never will, um, push that time aside for anything else. So I love it so much. So if that's wrong, then I would love to be wrong. But yeah, if you go on Twitter, I think they tell you when new coins are released. I don't know if they tell you beforehand. Coinbase. Yeah, so 13 hours ago they said that is it Bico? 13 hours ago they said that Bico is now live on Coinbase. So they did state that. Now available on Coinbase. I'm wondering if they tell you beforehand though. Maybe on the website. Well, the Coinbase website maybe. Or on Coinbase blog. I don't really know. I just know I get my detail. Like if I go over here and go down to new coins, it'll tell me all the new coins that are available on Coinbase, which is void your token 14 days ago, and Bico, which is 14 hours ago. But yeah. All right, we hit over 100 likes. If you guys can get me to 150 likes, I would be very happy with that. And thank you to the Roses for sending the roses over on TikTok. I appreciate that as well. Cliff, is it Cliff? Cliff OC? And thank you for the follow. Also, the fire. Thank you for that. Make some. What? Can you please make some push ups for me? What does that mean? You want me to do push ups? I'm not going to do push ups. Do them on my spare time. Not now. I'm working. I'm working. All right. Let's see. Let's go back. Sounds like another way of losing money. I'm in. I'm not for that. Here's $5 towards AMC movie tickets for Matt's family for Christmas. Who else is in? Thank you for that. I appreciate that. You don't need to send super chats. I really do appreciate them though. It means a lot. Um, Especially since my nose is extremely stuffy. I don't know why my nose is so stuffy today. I just need to blow my nose, and as soon as I'm done with the stream, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Thank you for the super chat though. I appreciate that a lot. 150 likes, and he'll buy a deep out of the money call option to GME that expires tomorrow. I feel like that's something I probably shouldn't do. 99 is the cheap movie tickets. That's the popcorn. That's what I'm talking about. You gotta have popcorn. You gotta have a lot of popcorn. Harper absolutely loves popcorn. She had it well she had it for the first time, and well, not for the first time in the movie theater. She had it before and she loved it. You'll match it. Thank you. Thank you for the super chat. I appreciate that a lot. You guys are amazing. Damn, I know absolute stuff that's ridiculous. Not 1980. No, it's not 1980. What's your first indication that the bull run is over for crypto? The bull run, well, we haven't even seen the bull run. We need to see that this bear run is over, right? I think we're gonna see altcoins start to run. If we're talking about uh, altcoins running, we obviously need to see Bitcoin run, which we already did. It got to a new all-time high. Ethereum ran as well. Other altcoins have not really made that major leap yet. And we need to see, small caps start to really rise, and we will see that soon. I think the end of this year is actually going to be really, really good. Don't ever sleeps. What the hell? Why not nachos? I do love nachos, actually. I usually get the thank you for the super chat, by the way, first of all. Um, but I do like nachos, but I mainly go for the pretzel bites. I go for pretzel bites, dips, and cheese. That's just me. AMC's pretzel bites are like no other pretzel bites I could possibly have. Like I would literally go to AMC, get their pretzel bites, and even if I had tickets in another movie theater, I would go to AMC, get their pretzel bites, and then probably go see an IMAX movie. If AMC had an IMAX like screen, I would love it. They're not an IMAX theater, so I don't know if they would have that. That's something they need to invest into. Huge screens and call it something different. Nacho hype. Run them up. Thank you for the super chats, guys. I really appreciate it. You're an AMC stockholder. A large bucket of popcorn is free. Yes, that's true. So then I don't have to worry about that. However, if I'm not going to AMC because I want to see an IMAX movie, I'm sorry. I have to. I'm very transparent, so I have to admit that I'm not going to AMC to go and see that. I'm going uh, to the IMAX theater that's in the Reading area, and gonna watch it in 3D and gonna watch it every way that I can. But yeah, I can't wait for that. But when it comes to Harper's movies, we went to go see Paw Patrol, all those other movies that kid movies that Encanto, whatever that is. Um, we're gonna go and see those movies as well. Clifford, and we'll go see that at AMC because it's close to our house. Heck, buy a soda. Thank you for the $5 super chat. I will buy a soda. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. All right. So it looks like it's 9 o'clock. I got some month end close stuff to do. You can still see movies in 3D. I don't think I've seen one ever advertised as 3D. I don't think they advertise it anymore. I think they just post it like it's either in 3D or not. It was a big deal back then, but it's not anymore. I remember first seeing a movie in 3D, getting so hype and was like, I need to see every movie in 3D. And then I saw my second one and I was like, my head is spinning. I can't I can't do this. I can't wear those glasses for that long. Um, but yeah, this was a great stream. Thank you everybody for the super chats. Thank you for all of the likes. We got to 139 likes. 183 people are here on YouTube. So thank you guys for watching. Also on Twitch, we had I think we had about 10 people at max that were here. 5 viewers right now. Thank you guys for watching over on this platform. Also, the people that are on TikTok, I appreciate you as well. Make sure you guys hit the like button as much as you can. Share the stream with people. Let people know that I do stream every day. Also, if you guys want to check out my Discord group, feel free to check out the Discord group. We have a live chat going there, and we have a bunch of different text channels that we have there. So definitely check that out, as well as my Patreon. I have probably 5 more videos that are going to be coming out. One or probably 2 today. I had a day trade for a living video. Also, I'm gonna have an ETF watch video, and we have some other videos coming soon. So definitely check that out if you guys want to be a part of that. But I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in the